Exercise 10.2 Question 11 Prove that the parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. एक पैरेललोग्राम जो किसी वृत्त का सर्कमस्क्राइबिंग है वह रंभस होता है. गिवन लेट ए बी सी डी इज ए पैरेललोग्राम circumscribing a circle with center O. To prove ABCD is a rhombus. Proof. We know that tangents to a circle from an external point are equal in length. Therefore, AP is equal to AS, BP is equal to BQ, CQ is equal to CR, DR is equal to DS. Adding, we get AP plus BP plus CR plus DR. AS plus DS, AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS. Now, taking AP and BP together, CR and DR together, taking AS and DS together, BQ and CQ together, BQ and CQ together, AP plus BP, AB, CR plus DR, CD, AS plus DS, AS plus DS, AD, BQ plus CQ, BQ plus CQ is BC. CD can be written as AB because opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. AD can be written as BC or twice AB is equal to twice BC. 2 to cancel. From 1 and 2. AB is equal to BC is equal to AD is equal to CD. Therefore, ABCD is a rhombus. Question 12. A triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 4 cm such that segments BD and DC into which BC is divided by the point of contact D are lengths 8 cm and 6 cm respectively. ABC is a triangle circumscribe a circle of radius 4 cm and segment BD is 8 cm and CD is 6 cm. BD is 8 cm and CD is 6 cm. Find the sides AB and AC. Sides AB and AC we have to find. Given a triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 4 cm such that segment BD and DC into which BC is divided by the point of contact D are length 8 cm and 6 cm. यहाँ से लेकर के यहाँ तक लिखना है. फाइंड द साइड्स ए बी एंड ए सी. ए बी साइड और ए सी साइड फाइंड करना है. टू फाइंड method. Join OA, OB, OC, OE and OF. Let AE is equal to X. We know that tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal in length. Therefore, AE is equal to AF. A is X, then AF is equal to also X. Therefore, AF is equal to AE. CD is equal to CE. Is equal to 6 centimeter. BD is equal to BF is equal to 8 centimeter. We have to find X by equating area of triangle ABC obtained by two different methods. First method by Heron formula, second method by sum of three triangles. We will find area of triangle ABC. Two different methods. First method by Heron formula. Sides of triangle ABC are AB plus AC and BC. AB, BC and AC are respectively. AB is X plus 8 centimeter, BC is 8 plus 6, AC is equal to X plus 6 centimeter. Now AS is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. A first side X plus 8, second side 14, third side X plus 6 upon R 2x plus 28 by 2. Taking 2 common, x plus 14 by 2, 2 cancel, is equal to x plus 14. S semi perimeter of triangle. Area of triangle ABC under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now we will find S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. S minus A is equal to S is x plus 14 minus A is x plus 8, x plus 14 minus x minus 8 plus x minus x cancel, 14 minus 8 6 centimeter. S minus B, S minus B, B is 14 is equal to x, S minus C, C is x plus 6, x plus 14 minus x minus 6, 14 minus 6 8, 6 x and 8. Putting the value of x minus a, s minus b, s minus c in this formula. Continued. Area of triangle ABC. Root s is x plus 14, s minus a is 6 into x minus b, s minus b is x, s minus c is 8. 6 8s are 48, x plus 14. Number 1. Now, area of triangle ABC is sum of three triangles, triangle OCB plus area of triangle OBA plus area of triangle OAC. Area of triangle OCB plus area of triangle OBA plus area of triangle OAC is equal to area of triangle OBC. OCB is half base into altitude OD, half base BC into height OD plus area of triangle OBA, half base AB into altitude OF. OF is 4 centimeter. This is also OE is 4 centimeter. Plus half area of triangle OAC, half base AC, height OE. Half BC is 6 plus 8. OD is 4. Half AB is x plus 8. OF is 4. AC is x plus 6. OE is 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. Taking 2 common. 6 plus 8 14 plus x plus 8 plus x plus 6. 14 plus 14 28. Taking 2 common, x plus 14 equal to 4 x plus 14. Number 2. Equating these two area of triangle ABC from 1 and 2. 48 x plus 14 is equal to 4 x plus 14. स्क्वायरिंग बोथ साइड्स 48x स्क्वायर प्लस 14x, यहाँ रूट हट जाएगा, इज इक्वल टू 4 का स्क्वायर 16x प्लस 14 होल स्क्वायर. कंटिन्यूड 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 14x इक्वल टू x प्लस 14 होल स्क्वायर. 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 3 14 आर 42x a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर फार्मूला यूज किया. एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस ट्वाइस ऑफ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू टर्म्स 28x प्लस स्क्वायर ऑफ सेकेंड टर्म 196. 3x स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 14x माइनस 28x माइनस 196. 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 14x माइनस 196 इक्वल टू 0. Dividing by 2, x square plus 7x minus 98 equal to 0. We have to find two numbers such that their product is minus 98 and algebraic sum is plus 7. Those terms are plus 14 and minus 7. Plus 14x minus 7x. Taking x common from these two terms, minus 7 common लिया, x plus 14 common, x minus 7. If first term is 0, then x equal to minus 14, and if x minus 7 equal to 0, x equal to 7. Since length of side cannot be negative, therefore neglecting x equal to minus 14, taking x equal to 7, side A B is equal to x plus 8, 7 plus 8, 15 centimeter. Side AC is equal to x plus 6, 7 plus 6, 13 centimeter. Answer. Find the sides AB and AC. Answer. Side AB is equal to 15 centimeter and side AC is equal to 13 centimeter. Question 13. Prove that opposite sides of a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle subtend supplementary angles at the center of the circle. एक क्वाड्रिलेटरल जो कि एक सर्कल पर सर्कमस्क्राइब है, उसके अपोजिट साइड सेंटर पर सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल सबटेंड करते हैं. मीन्स एंगल ए ओ बी प्लस एंगल सी ओ डी इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री एंड एंगल बी ओ सी प्लस एंगल ए ओ डी इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. गिवन. Let quadrilateral ABCD is a circumscribing a circle. To prove angle AOB plus angle COD is equal to 180 degree and angle BOC plus angle AOD is equal to 180 degree. Proof. Since two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal in length, therefore AP is equal to AS. Therefore AP is equal to AS. Similarly, BP is equal to BQ, CQ is equal to CR, DS equal to DR. Now in triangle AOP and AOS, since number 1 AP is equal to AS, from 1 AO is equal to AO common, OP is equal to OS, radii of same circle. Therefore these two triangles are congruent. Triangle AOP is equal to congruent to triangle AOS by side. Therefore these two angles are equal. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. CPCT. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. Similarly, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. angle 5 is equal to angle 6, angle 7 is equal to angle 8. Now all the angles in around a point is equal to 360 degree complete angle. Sum of all angles (360°). Therefore 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 equal to 360. Now taking angle 2 and 3 together. Now we want angle 2, 3 and 6, 7. Therefore replacing 1, 4, 5 and 8. 1 को रिप्लेस किया एंगल 2 से, 3 को रखेंगे, 4 रिप्लेस किया 3 से, 5 को रिप्लेस किया 6 से, 6 है, 7 को रखना है, 8 को रिप्लेस किया 7 से, 360 degree. Or twice angle 2 plus twice angle 3 plus twice angle 6 plus twice angle 7 equal to 360 degree. Taking 2 common, angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 6 plus angle 7, dividing by 2. 2 को इधर ले गया, एंगल 2 प्लस एंगल 3 एक साथ लिख लिया, प्लस एंगल 6 प्लस 7 एक साथ लिख लिया, एंगल 2 प्लस 3 इज एंगल AOB, एंगल 6 प्लस 7 is angle COD. Similarly, angle BOC plus angle AOD equal to 180 degree.